Welcome to Yee Fit Fuel.
Yeah.
My name is Darren Yee, and today we are making coconut shrimp. And here to help me is my son, Josiah. Say hi, Joe. So let's put on our aprons. And let's get ready to cook. Alright. Is take our shrimp here. We're going to peel off the tail part. There's always this little part here. It's kind of unnecessary. And then I'm going to just slit it right here on the top. Alright, and butterfly it here, so you can lay it down. So, just kind of spread it out like that. You can devein it if you don't like the vein inside. See, all the shrimp has been butterflied, deshelled, and is ready. Okay, so these are the ingredients for the dry part. We have 2 eggs, you have some salt, a little pepper, some paprika. This is about a cup of flour. We have a cup of sweet coconut and a cup of panko already in this bowl here. And so we're going to crack these eggs here. Alright, we are going to add a little pepper, about a teaspoon pepper here to the flour. And a teaspoon of salt, and about a teaspoon of paprika. There we go. Mix that all up here. Alright, let's mix up the eggs. There, nice consistency. And we're gonna add a little Frank's hot sauce. Add a little Frank's hot sauce to give it a little spice. Mix that in really well there. Alright, and then we're ready to do our dredging process. We'll first dunk the shrimp in the flour, coat it, then the egg mixture to add some stickiness, and then into the panko and coconut. Okay, you want to make sure your panko and your coconut are well mixed together. You can like crush them up into little bits and separate some of the coconut chunks so that it evenly breads the shrimp. Just use your hands here. The air fryer. So I'm going to turn it on for 370. We're only going to preheat for about 5 minutes. That's all it takes. And the air fryer will start the dredging process. Here's the shrimp here. I'm gonna take some, get it in a flour. Dredge it in the egg mixture, shake it off. Then into the coconut. Pack it on there. Shake off the excess. Make sure you get all in the inside there. Okay, shake it off. And plate. Next shrimp into the flour. The shrimp are breaded and ready for the air fryer. Okay, the preheating has finished. We're going to open this up. Alright, put it down here. And we're going to start putting our shrimp inside. Make sure that they have enough room around each one. Alright, so that looks good. And then I'm going to give it a light coating of olive oil. We're going to set it, we're going to have it at 370, and it's only going to take about 7 minutes. So halfway through, I will pull them out and flip them over, and we'll take a look. Alright, we're about halfway through, about 3.5 minutes. Let's take a look. Yeah, just starting to crisp up. You can smell the coconut.
I know, I smell coconut.
Okay, let's flip them over.
No, you can't eat this coconut. Yeah. You have coconut, okay? Make them the crumbs out. Eat the big one.
Okay,
I eat the big one.
let's spray them down a little bit more. Alright, and they should be done in about another 3.5 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice golden brown and crunchy. Alright, looks good. Hi Jordan.
Hi.
Go ahead and try one of the shrimp. You can either use some of that ketchup on the side, or you can just take a taste without sauce over the plate.
Good?
Is it good? What do you think? It's good? Oh, good.
My turn.
Alright, Joe. My turn. Good? Crispy and crunchy. You can use the sweet chili sauce or just ketchup. This is Yee Fit Fuel. Thanks for watching. Coconut shrimp. We'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.